Hello people, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to speak a little bit about history of the English language. And for it I am going to answer three questions about this topic. And the first question is, who were the original inhabitants of the British Islands? Celtic Britons or Ancient Britons. They were the original inhabitants. It was thought that the Britons descended from the Celts, and now it is believed that they were indigenous population. The second question it says how they were overcome by the Anglo-Saxon tribes. Britain was being attacked by the Picts and Scots from the north and the Anglo-Saxons from the sea. But Britons had no longer a strong Roman army to defend uh, from the invaders. There were many battles between Anglo-Saxons and Britons over the time, but the Anglo-Saxons took the control of most of the Britons at that time. Uh, that that was the reason uh, when the Anglo-Saxon overcome to the Britons. And the third question is why Anglo-Saxons were described by the ancient historians as God growth toward Britain. According to what I read, it means that the term Anglo-Saxon describe how were those people, and I imagine that they were described as God's growth toward Britain because maybe God used them or allows them to attack Britons. This is what I think because I don't find the information for this question. But in my analysis, this is the reason uh, why they were described at this phrase. And I think that is all. And I only can say thank you for your attention. I see you in the next video.